Today I'm going to show you how to trade using triple Supertrend pullback strategy. Okay, and first you need Supertrend. Okay, I'll give you the link down below for this indicator. So this is the setting, 12.3. Give me 3 of this, 11.2. Okay, and 10.1. Okay, that's the settings. And then you need this no nonsense ATR. So you put 2. So if you don't have this on TradingView, just use other ATR indicator. Okay, so the TP is 2 times ATR. The stop loss is 2 times ATR. And so my target is I'm going to target 1-to-1 first. I want to see if this trading strategy have any edge, and I'm expecting more than 60% win rate after 100 trade. Okay, so I'll tell you how we trade this. For sell, you want this, all of this to be red. Yeah, the Supertrend to be red, and you're waiting for the first green candle. Okay, so this is the first green candle after all of the Supertrend become red. Okay, so you just click. Okay, so this is your TP. Okay, you see here. So you just input there and target 1-to-1. And there is 2%. So sell here. Okay. We get that one, and then if the so it becomes green again and then all red again. So this is considered a reset. Okay, so we can wait for another green candle. Okay, so we enter here. Okay, we sell again here. All right. Okay, so we have green candle here, but we don't enter. Okay, we only look for the first one. After it become red, all of them become red, we only enter the first one, so we're not entering here. All right. Okay, so this is the first one, first red candle. So we buy here. Okay, enter here. All right, we get stopped at. All right, we sell here. It's a bit laggy. Okay, so okay, we don't enter here because we only look for the first one. Okay, so we enter here. Okay, and another thing is, let's say if you're late, you can enter here or here because the price is better than the signal, so you can enter here or here. Okay, if you're late. Okay, signal here. Okay, so after the all become red, it's considered a reset, so we can enter again. Okay, we got that one. Okay, it's a doji, but you know, we'll take it. Ideally, you want the candle to have a body, but take it anyway. Okay, so we enter here. Okay, enter here. Okay, we cannot enter here because we need all of them to be red. Okay, no. Okay, we can buy here. Okay, okay. Reset again, so we can enter here. Again. Okay, so it's a reset, so we can wait for green candle. Okay, sorry, here. Oops, sorry. Okay, we can enter here again. Yeah, we're making a lot of money right now. Okay, we're making 20%. Okay, we enter here. Okay, got stopped at. Alright. So I hope you understand this by now. Okay, got stopped at. Okay, still here. Alright. Okay, we can enter here. Okay, we wait for another reset. Okay, we'll take it. Okay, so okay, sell here. Okay, so I hope you understand by now. So I'm gonna give like a few more example. Okay, all red. So we sell here. Okay, so it's not red. Okay, so let's okay, we'll see how many. So yeah, so in 28 trades we win 21, so we lose 7. Okay, and that's really good. And so I'm gonna test this 100 times to see the win rate is. Okay. Okay, so here is the result of 100 tests. So it's Euro USD 1 hour chart from 2 January until 4 June. 4 June. Okay, so we make in 100 trade we make 6,000. So it's a 60% increase gain on an account, and that's very good. And we have 62 profit trades and 38 losses. Yeah, so it's more than 60%, so that means we have an edge. Okay, it's not some random thing. And we have max consecutive wins 9, max consecutive loss 5, and this include spread and commission as well. So 60% increase, so that's pretty good. And so this is the graph. Okay, we have a winning streak around here, so I almost got like 70% win rate around here, and then it's slowing down a bit. And I mean, yeah, so it's pretty good strategy. And profit factor here, 1. Okay, so yeah, this is an optimized strategy. Okay, you can maybe add a runner or something, maybe have 2 to 1. Just try to experiment, and it doesn't have to be 2 ATR. It can be, I don't know, 3 or 1.5, let's say, you know, whatever you want. And yeah, that's it. So if you like the video, please comment down below, and if you want the software that I'm using, I have a link down below. Okay, have a good day.